Stellantis, the powerhouse behind iconic brands like Jeep and Chrysler, is making a bold move that could reshape the American automotive landscape. In a surprising announcement, the company revealed plans to inject a staggering $13 billion into its U.S. manufacturing operations over the next 4 years. But here's where it gets intriguing. This isn't just about building cars. It's about transforming the industry. Under the leadership of CEO Antonio Filosa, Stellantis aims to execute a domestic turnaround plan that promises to create over 5,000 new jobs and introduce cutting-edge products at plants across Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. Imagine the ripple effect this could have on local economies and the automotive sector as a whole. And this is the part most people miss. While the investment is massive, it also raises questions about the future of electric vehicles, sustainability, and the global competitive landscape. Is Stellantis positioning itself as a leader in the EV race, or is this a strategic move to solidify its dominance in traditional markets? As the story unfolds, one thing is clear. This investment is more than just a financial commitment. It's a statement about the future of American manufacturing. What do you think? Is this a game changer or just another chapter in the automotive saga? Share your thoughts in the comments below.